yes I am. 100 miles up, say yes I can. Is it all love? Say yes I am. Yes I am, yes I am. It's my life, so I tell me I'm alright and it helps me realize that I'm wealthy, rich in passion, rich in magic. It's my life, so I tell me I'm alright and it helps me realize that I'm wealthy, rich in passion. Yes I am.
So if you're arriving in Nassau by cruise ship, make sure you get up on the top deck and watch these cruise ships come in. You'll see Atlantis in the distance pulling in, the lighthouse. It's just beautiful. Don't miss the top deck when cruising in. You can see today we're going to have 3 cruise ships in Nassau. Nassau is the biggest port in the Bahamas. So whichever cruise ship you're getting off to, as soon as you get off the cruise ship, that's where you'll see signs for the excursions. You can see here's the Blue Lagoon boat, and there's another boat that's going to Balmoral Island. Make sure you check out those videos I've done in Nassau as well. So when you arrive in Nassau, you'll see this pier here that will take you right to downtown. Just follow the signs. It'll take you right in town where all the action is. Welcome to Nassau, Bahamas. So we're in Nassau today. We're gonna walk these streets. Make sure you click the like and subscribe button, and we will get right into this video on downtown Nassau. You can see where you get off the cruise ship and you're in Nassau. Check out the artwork. All right, I'm going to give you a stroll down Main Street here, which is right along the water. So make sure you're checking this out. There's a lot of souvenir shops here if you're getting off the cruise ship. It's great. And restaurant. Check out the Daiquiri Bar. You can see there's a lot of people that come off of this cruise ship. As long as you're staying in groups, Nassau is safe. You get off the beaten path, yes, there is trouble. Is this place awesome or what? Make sure you're checking out Main Street in Nassau. Anything you want to get here. Make sure you go down some of these side streets too. The colors are beautiful, bars everywhere. It's a beautiful town. They're doing construction here, but they're making it better. They're going to put some more docks in, more shops. It's going to be a great place when this is all done. Any kind of store you could want. T-shirts, everything. I'm telling you, Nassau, souvenirs, bars, have fun, enjoy your stay in Nassau. All right. When you're in Nassau, you got to come to the straw market. Be prepared for them to sell you just about everything in the store. We're going to take a mosey through here, show you what it's like. So here we go. Straw market. Anything you could want. Great deals. If I sound funny, it's because I got a mask on. Still mask required in the Bahamas. This is why Nassau is great. Anything you could want. And like I said, they need your tourist dollars, so don't be afraid. It's safe if you stay in groups and it's not at night. But look at all this stuff. I'm here late in the day because we did the excursion, but you can see so many shops. It's just insane. Great place to do your shopping, souvenir shopping. in Nassau. Check out the carvings this place does. I usually buy from a guy come Winston, but I don't know where he is. But man, look at this. Anything carved you could want. Awesome. Hear the cars there. All right, every time I come, I usually hit this market here. Great beer, cheap beer, whatever you want. So cool, check it out. Alright, a staple in Nassau, Senor Frogs. Make sure you come to Senor Frogs. It's where everybody comes from a cruise ship. Check it out. There's Senor Frog. Just so you can see here, Senor Frogs. And right there's where the cruise ships park. Right next door. Alright, this is new since I've been here. I guess it's called Luca Kira. Let's just take a stroll through. There is just so much to do in Nassau, Bahamas. And this must be it out here. Waterfront Bar and Grill. Awesome. And did I say it's on the water? Can't get any closer than this. Every corner you go around, there's something different. This is one of the main streets back off where the cruise ships are. So one street over, you'll find tons and tons of more shops. And this is cool. This is like a mall area. I'll try and put a picture in here, but this place was decorated at Christmas time. It's just unbelievable. Just imagine a big Christmas tree here. So much to do and see. And again, make sure you're looking up at the architecture of some of these buildings. Now you can see at the top of this roof, I don't know if you can see that, but up here you can see there's still hurricane damage. So the town is still working to rebuild, but all in all, it's looking really clean and nice. I'll tell you one thing, you look around here, it is very clean too. Clean as a pin. I'm good. No thanks. Now you can see they'll sell you just about anything on the street too. So, just stick to your guns. Look at this. This is Old Town Nassau. Look at these buildings. Just history here is unbelievable. Hey, you remember I took you through the straw market? This is actually the other side. So it's in between streets, but you can see it's just beautiful. The colors in Nassau are great. So as we continue on past the straw market, we'll see some more shops up here. But again, look at these buildings. Make sure you're looking up. It's just fabulous here. Telling you, souvenirs abound in Nassau. If you're on a cruise ship, Nassau is one of the cheapest places to get your souvenirs for sure. Mad Hatters. Oh, and did I tell you about jewelry? Another great place for jewelry is in Nassau. You can see here, House of Diamonds. Across the street, Allure Jewels, Tanzanite International. No. Rolex. Should go in there. Just do not miss the rum cakes. Cigars. Look at all the liquor in there. Bacardi. I tell you, man, you could see just about anything in Nassau, such as this guy here. I'm good. Also, when you're walking these streets, you might want to grab some singles, because they're all working on the street for tips, and I generally will support them. No one's on me now.
Well, I wake up for a drink of rum. Daylight come and we wanna go. Stop banana till the morning come. Daylight come and we wanna go. Come, Mr. Terryman.
Awesome.
7 foot, 8 foot bunch. Daylight come and we wanna go.
Remember architecture? Check these buildings out. They're pink. I said there's so much history in Nassau. Port Marketplace this way. So we're at the marketplace, which is right downtown, right when you get off the cruise ship terminal. We're gonna walk through here and check it out. I tell you, you want to buy anything? The marketplace is awesome. You can buy just about everything at the marketplace. They got food, man. If you could just smell these streets right now, you'd be going crazy. Just insane. I don't know. We had a quick walk through downtown here.
What you want to have?
But
Want to get a cold try of the evening beer?
we need to get back to the cruise ship before it leaves. Make sure you click and like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for future videos, excursions, cruise stuff. I got more boardwalk stuff coming, so weather breaks, my boardwalk fans, make sure you're checking that out for sure. Till next time, I will see you soon. Have a great day. So what a day in Nassau. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. We're gonna head back to the ship, get checked in, and get something to eat because I'm starving.
Falls off the mountainside, and in